Welcome to Chisinau, the heart of Moldova, a hidden gem in Eastern Europe where old world charm meets modern luxury. Nestled amongst sprawling vineyards and dotted with contemporary retreats, Chisinau is a destination that surprises and delights. This is Chisinau Chic, Moldova's hidden luxury amongst vineyards and modern retreats. Chisinau may not be the first name that comes to mind when you think of luxury travel, but that's exactly what makes it so special. This city is a treasure trove of culture, history, and indulgence waiting to be discovered. From world-class wineries to sleek boutique hotels, Chisinau offers a unique blend of experiences that cater to the discerning traveler. Let's take a closer look at what makes this city a must-visit destination for luxury seekers. Moldova is known as the land of wine, and Chisinau is its crown jewel. The city is surrounded by some of the most prestigious wineries in the world, like Craiova and Purcari. These estates are not just about wine, they're about an experience. Imagine touring underground cellars that stretch for miles, tasting rare vintages, and dining in elegant wine-pairing restaurants. At Craiova, you can explore a subterranean wine city complete with streets named after the wines they store. This underground labyrinth is a marvel of engineering and history, housing millions of bottles, including rare collections that date back decades. Guided tours take you through the cellars, where you'll learn about the winemaking process and sample some of the finest wines in the world. And at Purcari, you can sip award-winning blends while overlooking the serene Nistru River. This historic winery is famous for its Negru de Purcari, a rich red wine that has been celebrated since the 19th century. The estate also offers luxurious accommodations, allowing you to wake up to the sight of endless vineyards and the sound of birdsong. For wine lovers, Chisinau is nothing short of paradise. But even if you're not a connoisseur, the beauty and tranquility of these vineyards are enough to captivate anyone. But Chisinau isn't just about wine. The city is also home to a growing number of modern luxury retreats that cater to every need. Hotels like Bristol Central Park and Radisson Blu Leo Grand offer world-class amenities from rooftop pools to gourmet restaurants, all designed with the modern traveler in mind. At Bristol Central Park, you'll find a perfect blend of contemporary design and timeless elegance. The hotel's spacious rooms and suites are equipped with state-of-the-art technology, while its wellness center offers a range of treatments to help you unwind after a day of exploring. And at Radisson Blu Leogrand, the rooftop pool and bar provides stunning views of the city skyline. It's the perfect spot to enjoy a cocktail as the sun sets over Chisinau. Whether you're unwinding in a state-of-the-art spa or savoring a meal crafted by a Michelin-trained chef, Chisinau's hotels redefine what it means to travel in style. Beyond the vineyards and luxury retreats, Chisinau is a city rich in culture and history. The Nativity Cathedral, with its stunning architecture, stands as a symbol of the city's spiritual heritage. This iconic landmark, with its golden domes and intricate frescoes, is a must-visit for anyone interested in Moldova's religious and cultural history. Meanwhile, the National Museum of History offers a glimpse into Moldova's fascinating past. From ancient artifacts to exhibits on the country's Soviet era, the museum provides a comprehensive overview of Moldova's journey through time. And don't miss the local markets, where you can immerse yourself in the vibrant culture of Moldova. From fresh produce to handmade crafts, these markets are a feast for the senses. The Central Market is particularly popular, offering everything from local cheeses to traditional textiles. Chisinau's food scene is another highlight. The city boasts a mix of traditional Moldovan cuisine and modern gastronomy. Restaurants like Gorkaguz and Gastro Bar 27 offer everything from hearty stews to innovative fusion dishes, all made with locally sourced ingredients. At Gokoguz, you can savor traditional dishes like mamaliga, cornmeal porridge, and samali, stuffed cabbage rolls, all served in a cozy, rustic setting. Meanwhile, Gastrobar 27 takes Moldovan cuisine to the next level, with creative dishes that showcase the best of local ingredients. And of course, no meal in Chisinau is complete without a glass of local wine. The city's wine bars and restaurants offer an extensive selection of Moldovan wines, allowing you to pair your meal with the perfect vintage. While Chisinau itself has plenty to offer, the surrounding region is also worth exploring. Just a short drive from the city, you'll find Orhale Vechi, a stunning archaeological complex that includes a monastery carved into a cliff. The site offers breathtaking views of the Rout River and a glimpse into Moldova's ancient history. For nature lovers, the Codru Nature Reserve is a must-visit. This pristine forest is home to a diverse range of flora and fauna, as well as hiking trails that offer a peaceful escape from the city. Chisinau is a city that surprises at every turn. It's a place where luxury is found in the simplicity of a glass of wine, the elegance of a modern retreat, and the richness of its culture. Whether you're a wine enthusiast, a history buff, or simply someone who appreciates the finer things in life, Chisinau has something for you. This is Chisinau Chic, Moldova's hidden luxury amongst vineyards and modern retreats. A destination that proves luxury isn't always about the obvious, it's about the unexpected, the authentic, and the unforgettable. Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and remember, luxury is not just a place, it's a feeling.